Here, warmly welcome you all in new phase of learning and in pandemic COVID-19 with the social distancing and physical disconnectivity. We marks the beginning of digital era in academic session 2020-2021. This time, it's physical classes present on digital medium. So hereby on this note, we are discussing on the eve of independence, and on eve of independence, we mark the phases to be discussed, and these phases are occupational structure of India. इंडिया भारत कृषि प्रधान मुल्क है। ये उसकी अर्थव्यवस्था की पहचान हुआ करती थी जब भारत स्वतंत्रता की परिस्थितियों में खड़ा था, और आज आईटी का हब है। ये इस वातावरण की उसके लिए उपलब्धि है। दो मुख्तलिफ छोर आज भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था को दर्शाते हैं। So today we will discuss them. So here warmly welcome you on new phase of learning in this pandemic COVID-19. ऑन द ईव ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, स्वतंत्रता के वक्त जो भारत की परिस्थितियां थी वो बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ हैं आज की परिस्थितियों से। दिस इज प्रिलिमिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज गोइंग ऑन where we are analyzing that when India started its journey after independence, what was the circumstances and what milestone India have accomplished. So let's check them. Economy on the eve of independence marks just one phase to be discussed, and this one phase said भारत, उसका परिपेक्ष, उसकी अर्थव्यवस्था की तीन मूलभूत स्तंभ जिसमें कृषि प्रधान मुल्क उसकी शनाख्त हुआ करती थी। भारत, इंडिया, it marks its economy an agriculture based economy. So we have evaluated two facts to say so. So let's have firstly an introduction why we are introducing to on the eve of independence. We have inherited British rule legacy of India at the time of independence. They left us with the economy, and we are analyzing where we were at that time before these in development. So it's a preliminary based investigation where we are just going through the performance of the economy in different sectors, and it's indicator of change because we have covered milestones in the changes. India was a backward economy and emerged as developing economy and even vibrant economy in few decades. So let's have journey. Occupational structure of India marks its identity with two phases and two features. Indian occupational structure, भारत, उसकी परिपेक्ष की अर्थव्यवस्था जो तीन भागों में अपने आप को खड़ा करती है। And India marks the identity of village-centric economy on the eve of independence, where they have the lack of capital, and that leads to capital deficient economy, labor surplus economy, and where 70 to 75% of population engaged to the agriculture sector, 10% was manufacturing sector, 15 to 20% was service sector, and second thing, it shows the regional variation of growth. Indian occupational distribution at the time of independence marks the primary sector involvement with agriculture 50%, agricultural labor 19.7%, forestry, fisheries, animal husbandry 2.4%, even mining was there at 0.6%. Secondary sector introduced you with small scale and large scale industry 9%, 1.1% construction work. Tertiary sector has shown the tremendous change of trade and commerce with 5.2%, transport, storage and communication marks 1.4% and other service 10.6%. भारत उसके बदलते परिपेक्ष ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की शॉर्टेज को मेट करने के बाद एक नई इंडस्ट्री का खड़ा कर देना इंडिगो रेवोल्यूशन को मार्क करता है, जो ब्रिटेन में डाइंग टेक्सटाइल्स के नाम से अपने लिए इनपुट की मांग करती है, और डाइंग टेक्सटाइल्स को जनरेट करने के लिए इंडिगो की रिक्वायरमेंट इंडिया फुलफिल करता है। दिस मार्क्स द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ कमर्शलाइज्ड फोर्स्ड एग्रीकल्चर इन इंडस्ट्री requirement of Britain, where India is a primary product and input supplier. It marks the loss of commercial money which were earned due to the indigo cultivation is now spent for the living, and this brought another poverty, and this picture marks the actual life of the citizen at that time in India. So let's have a look. And this marks the phase, and this phase said to be the phase of the new introduction. Lost livelihood due to the handicraft industry decline and lack of industrial work. Ultimately, this all people are dependent on agriculture, associated primary activities. This lost livelihood that brought the poverty. Then commercial agriculture, tea cultivation, ultimately brought into the existence the Indian transformation have been witnessed. So hereby we are checking it out one by one, and now we are presence of tea cultivation is in front of you. Introduction of railway also acknowledged over here. Many things occupational structure have delivered with the transportation. In service sector, banking, communication also emerged out. Even small scale, large scale industry even comes out with a bleak growth in 19th century around. Even marks the fishery, forestry, etc. This is industrialization of textile mills. Picture is in front of you. You can check it out. The small bleak growth of industry also witnessed, but it was only confined to few areas. Unregional balance, unbalanced growth, you can say. The areas were only developed or British colony surroundings were more prominent to development. Hereby, in whole conclusion, it's time to say goodbye to each other. We are discussing the occupational structure. भारत कृषि प्रधान देश से इस देश ने एक ऐसा सफर तय किया जो आज आईटी का हब है. Under the pandemic COVID-19 outbreak, Indian emerging opportunity for being the China's alternative came in acknowledgement. भारत जो एक वक्त कृषि प्रधान मुल्क था, आज हर किसी के लिए उपलब्धियों की जगह के तौर पर जाना जा रहा है. This marks the identity of India. India just witnessed 360-degree revolution in last 4-5 decades. So with this note, we are concluding it for today by saying thank you for visiting. See you again soon.